Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to do the video for Kasia, video about Kasia's routine. Hi guys, I'm Lena and welcome to my channel. I wanted firstly to make video about Kasia's daily routine because I know what you really like her, but it seems mostly like my daily routine because I was feeding her, I was washing after her, I was petting her. But today let's make a little bit another video. So I bought this cat food in a regular Russian shop. So, but the name of trademarks are very common in all the world, I think, maybe except this one. And you can buy it whatever you want. So, this one is the cheapest one, and this one is the more expensive, and all of rest is more or less the same. So, but I bought this one from the Action. So, that's why now they cost maybe the same. And let's try it with Kasia. And I want to tell you, but I do it not for the money, I have no support for one of this company, but if you are interested, my big pocket is always open and the Kasia's mouth is always open for your support, okay? And what is a favorite toy of your pets? You will never guess the Kasia's favorite toy. Kasia has a lot of toys, very sophisticated. Rats, hedgehogs and some misses, and really the misses which could run, and the misses with the holes, and you can put some delicious food inside of this miss, and when the cat can eat it, so it support the predator's instinct without murder. But Kasia's favorite toy ever is this bin from the grocery. Really serious toys for the serious cat. I have mentioned already that Kasia used to stray before the shelter, before home, so that's why for memory for this time I have one rule to buy, if I buy something for Kasia, some food or some delicious things, I buy also something for the cats who was not so lucky as Kasia. And I think that we need to do this because sometimes these small things can help to survive. We are crazy parents, but don't forget to do something, maybe small, maybe not so expensive, but for homeless animals. So thank you so much for being with me and with Kasia, and okay, our star is tired. Thank you so much for watching this video. It was Lena and Kasia in my unforgettable Russian accent, and please subscribe to my channel, for our channel, and you can support me, my channel, through the link in the description. Bye!